bigger, sharper, and fiercer than ever before. The swords, or rather the keyboards, were out as some of the most talented coders participated in the grand finale of Tech Gig Code Gladiators 2016. The third edition of the event witnessed a record-breaking registration of over 150,000 participants from all over the country. They battled it out in numerous preliminary rounds, and only 150 reached the hallowed coding arena for the biggest coding battle ever.
Just imagine the complexity of the event. 150,000 and the finals 150. 0.1% of the people finally qualified. The level of talent here is amazing.
Last year we won the Limca Book of Records as well for this, and this year we've doubled it. This, by the way, is the largest coding contest across the globe. It beats the others by a long margin, and we are sure that this team will double it next year as well.
The ultimate round saw some of the finest techies in the industry under one roof, pitching against one another for the enticing cash prizes.
The reason we participate in competitions is because it's challenging and it's fun.
So I'm here for the first time, so I found it very nice. The atmosphere is very good.
This is like a big platform where so many coders at one instance is competing with themselves.
Unfortunately, coders are the most unacknowledged people in the industry most of the time. And that's one of the prime reasons we created Code Gladiators. We wanted to acknowledge the true heroes of the IT revolution we are experiencing.
The final round saw participants flex their coding muscle for a non-stop 6 hours to solve their problems. Throughout the day, hashtag #TechGigCodeGladiators finale trended nationally on Twitter and also created quite a buzz across other social media platforms.
This year we've actually reached out to about 9 million odd coders, through 160 million ad impressions. And Code Gladiator 2016 has been the talk of the town. We have been trending on Twitter, getting a lot of support from the sponsors. All their corporate communications and marketing teams are supporting us in terms of social media buzz, and also the candidates. They're very sporting. The moment they entered the finale room here, before that they clicked their selfies and uploaded them on social media, tagged their friends, etc. So that is giving us all the reach.
Lending their support and encouragement to this young pool of talent were various IT industry bigwigs. It was a golden chance for them to meet the talented participants.
Companies today, if you really look at it, are looking at going the digital way. All right? The customers are today demanding digital solutions. So in order to get the best of talent, we believe that unless and until we are in platforms such as this, we won't have access to the right kind of talent. You can go to job boards, you can work with the social media sites, but I don't think you will get access to the best coders unless you participate in such events.
By providing this kind of a platform, I think we're just enabling and we're able to tap into a lot of the talent which probably exists in pockets but is hidden.
Developers have to come to these kind of platforms where they can interact, where they can share ideas, and where they can learn, where they assess, they can learn and they can assess themselves as to where they stand. So I think today every company is literally looking for great talent, and I think if somebody has a certificate from Code Gladiators saying we are one of the top coders in the country, I think that will certainly help them position themselves very well in the industry.
The competition witnessed participation from across the country. One inspiring participant was 23-year-old Dilip Kasana, who hails from Jaipur. Dilip has already participated twice in the previous Tech Gig Code Gladiators editions. This was his third attempt, and he was excited to make it to the finale. His father, who works as an electrician, had left no stone unturned in providing Dilip ample opportunities to enhance his coding skills. Though his father doesn't understand what coding is, he has always encouraged Dilip to follow his heart and excel in the industry.
पढ़ाई में हर बार कैसे भी कोशिश करके सबसे आगे निकलने की कोशिश करो, और कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट किसी भी क्षेत्र में हो उसके लिए हर संभव आप तैयार रहो और आगे ऊपर पहुंचने की निरंतर कोशिश, इसको हमने आशाएं बंधवाई कि तू कैसे भी, हम तुम्हारा पूरा सहयोग करेंगे पीछे से, आप हर चीज़ में दिलचस्पी लगा के अपना काम करते रहो।
Dilip honed his coding skills while studying in the Malviya National Institute of Technology, Jaipur. The youngster participated in various regional competitions and was now looking for a good finish in the Tech Gig Code Gladiators 2016.
NIT has a culture of self-learning mode with the students. Whenever the subjects are taught to the students during their classroom, post their classroom in the hostels and a common facility like this, which remains 24/7 open, they come and practice, they learn from each other, they learn in the corridors more than maybe in the classroom, and when along with this they participate in lots of competitions nationally, internationally, say it for any branch of maybe fabrication, maybe coding.
मैं शुरू में विलेज में था, मुझे आइडिया नहीं था कि कोडिंग का फ्यूचर इतना अच्छा है और सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री में इतना ज़्यादा स्कोप है, उसके बारे में मुझे आइडिया नहीं था। लेकिन जैसे ही मुझे कॉलेज में कंप्यूटर ब्रांच मिला, धीरे धीरे मेरा इंटरेस्ट बढ़ता गया और कोडिंग और एल्गोरिथम में दिलचस्पी बढ़ती गई। और उसके बाद में तो ऐसा होता था कि रात रात भर कोड करते रहा और पूरा रात निकल गया और पता नहीं लगता था, और सारी रात कोड करते रहे।
Back in Delhi, he was joined by his friend Ganesh Jaiswal, who too is participating. But for Ganesh, this is his first attempt.
मुझे एक्चुअली कोडिंग करना तो अच्छा लगता ही है, तो मैं चाहता था कि मैं देखूं कि मेरा जो लेवल है कोडिंग का वो किस लेवल पे है। जब फर्स्ट टाइम टेक गिग हुआ था, उस टाइम मेरे एक सीनियर है मनिंदर सिंह, तो वो फर्स्ट आए थे, तो उनसे मुझे इंस्पिरेशन मिला था कि नहीं मुझे भी पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए। तो तब से मुझे लगा कि पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए, तो इसलिए मैंने इस साल पार्टिसिपेट किया।
Ganesh too had big dreams when he came from his village in Madhya Pradesh to Gurugram. A contest like this has given him the drive to learn and excel. His colleagues have been deeply supportive and motivate him to give it his best.
मैं जो सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी को देखता हूँ, तो मुझे ये लगता है कि आइडिया की बात है सिर्फ कि किसका आइडिया चल गया किसका नहीं। और सारी सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनियां जो होती है वो मतलब सबका अलग अलग मोटो होता है कि आपका एक मोटो है, उसको आपको क्लियर करना है कि आप ये पर्सपेक्टिव मतलब आपको ये यूजर्स को देना ही देना है किसी भी कीमत में, तो वो पर्सपेक्टिव काफ़ी सही लगता है।
Ganesh came to us, really young, and they come in and they groomed for a little bit, and then we allow them to do their do their work. And I think when there is a code sprint, a lot of the tech guys work with an incredible amount of passion.
And now in this finale, both Ganesh and Dilip are set to showcase their coding skills. As hours pass by, the atmosphere in the coding arena becomes intense. Riding high on last year's success, Tech Gig Code Diva 2015 winner Hina Bhatia returned to this year's contest as well. Apart from giving tips to her fellow participants before the competition kick-started, Hina has her fingers crossed for performing well this year too.
There were other people also, the talent mates, who were asking questions regarding how it was last time, the experience and how it worked. So it was good. I guess what I've realized is that they have raised the complexity and the challenge level has increased. The number of participants have increased. So obviously competition is tougher than how it was last time.
The defending champion from last year, Apurv Gupta too is back at the contest. He says he is having a tough time cracking some problems, but his experience is definitely coming to the rescue.
Last time it was like there were two types of problems, like one was easy, one was difficult. This time I think both of the problems were quite, on average. Easier problem was also on difficulty level was on average. So the problems were good, but the bar has been raised.
So could both Apurv and Hina create history by retaining their titles? Or did Tech Gig Code Gladiators 2016 see fresh talent lay claim to the titles? We find out after a short break. 6 grueling hours of non-stop coding to find the ultimate coding champion. The top IT companies from across the country participated in the Tech Gig Code Gladiators 2016, sending their best and brightest minds to compete in India's biggest coding arena.
For a technical company like here, it is extremely important that we have the brightest mind with us to crack the problems that we have. And I think that a platform like TechGeek is an ideal platform through which we can attract those top talents of the country.
We all know that India has large number of developers, but getting them all together, the interested parties together, making them excited about joining together, 150,000 is not a small number, and keeping them engaged and finally picking the 150, the cream from that is amazing.
We partnered with TechGeek in the past, but I think this time it's gone really big, and we're quite happy about our association with TechGeek. At least from a talent acquisition perspective, especially for Cognizant that I'm leading at this point in time, I think if you want to reach out to the best of the coders in the country, it is platforms such as these which will give us access to those coders. And as I said earlier, we're really happy to partner with the Times Group and TechGeek to really be associated with them, and we look forward to many such associations in the future as well.
In real production side, there will be a lot more fields, like what timing will be there and what is.
In addition to the main contest, this year TechGeek introduced multiple theme tracks where candidates had to come with a coding solution on specific themes.
It was amazing to see that TechGeek has introduced this theme-based round. Basically, these kind of theme-based round is more applicable, more related to kind of work we do, application programming. So it is a very amazing and very good experience, nice experience to have this kind of round.
We've interacted with a couple of folks in our team, and what we have found out is that pretty interesting folks, nice presentations, the amount of effort they've put in stuff, etc. It's very nice, right? Commendable event.
I think I'm super proud to see the kind of talent that exists amongst the developer community in India today, and super inspired by the ideas these youngsters have about how using code and how by building apps they actually want to transform India. So in the MapMindia theme, we've heard people talk about how using MapMindia's APIs, building location-based apps. They want to build for smarter cities. They want to build for improving knowledge.
Rajesh Gavas from Pune was one of the coders who participated in both the coding and theme rounds. He had spent the entire year practicing for the competition. Spending hours solving some of the toughest problems, it was a challenge for Rajesh to meet his coding deadlines, handle office work, and also find time to spend with his family.
I follow a very strict routine. Every morning I go for exercise for 1 to 1.5 hours. Then I never do overtime in office. It's like fixed 9 hours in office. Then post office, I try to give some time to coding and go through other technical stuff. And I make sure that whatever time remains, I give it to family.
कोडिंग में जब कॉम्पिटिटर्स ज़्यादा होते हैं तो वहाँ पर तो उन कॉम्पिटिटर्स के मुताबिक उसको मेरिट में आना चाहिए, इसलिए वो ज़्यादा नहीं है, क्योंकि बाकी मैं कोडिंग के बारे में इतना जानता नहीं।
Kruti Gandhi, an M.Tech student and an aspiring IT professional from Gujarat, was also hoping for a cracking finish in the grand finale. She had been practicing with her friend Roshil for the big day and gives him credit for motivating her to participate.
Competition is very good, so he motivated me. He told me that you should also participate. So I tried and then I came.
हम दोनों में से कोई भी जीते मुझे अच्छा ही लगने वाला है, लेकिन अगर कृति जीती तो मुझे और ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, because I was always motivated her and support her.
Back in Delhi, she is confident about solving the toughest problems and break barriers in a profession that largely remains a man's domain.
We always believe in gender equality. We like to have all the participation of men and women simultaneously. We believe all are equal, and women can equally associate in the progress of the company.
And finally, the countdown was over. The fate of 150 participants sealed with a click, enter and submit. In the evening, the coders assembled one more time.
For the company awards, well, that means we're going to have 5. 4th runner-up, 3rd, second, 1st, and the champion.
The show got off to a start with the top 5 companies, with the best coders being awarded. DB Zento stood 5th. The number 4 spot was taken by NEC Technologies India. RS Software came 3rd. The second position was claimed by Sopra Steria India. And grabbing the top spot was Persistent Systems, who won the title for the 3rd year in a row, proving yet again that they are India's top coding powerhouse. In the theme awards, the winners were Rajesh Kavas, who won the Citrus Payment Gateway theme track. Jatin Patil from Infogain was team champion for the Sears e-commerce track. Dhaval Thakkar from OpenSoul won the Map My India e-location team champion award.
Beat the lead. Awardee for the evening, a big round of applause for Hukendra Singh. Congratulations to you.
And another bright spark who shined at the grand finale was Lokendra Singh from NTPC. He won the Cognizant Beat the Leader track. This year, the IT giant Cognizant sponsored the theme track where participants competed to write the most perfect code for 6 days.
For the 6 days, I didn't sleep. I worked for my company, and then for the remaining hours, I worked for this.
Kruti Gandhi's hard work finally paid off as she bagged the Code Diva Award 2016.
It was just for the practice, and I wanted to know where I belong in this whole national level competition. So that's it. I mean, I was just about to explore myself. I mean, what I am. Now I know what I am.
And then it was time to reveal the top 5 coders of the Tech Gig 2016. Prabhu Ravindran from Chennai was the 4th runner-up. The 3rd runner-up was Rajesh Kavas from Pune, who also won one of the theme track awards. The 2nd runner-up was Dilip Kasana, who finished in the top 3 for the 2nd time. He also came 2nd in the 1st edition of Tech Gig Code Gladiators 2014. 21-year-old Sumit Verma was the 1st runner-up. He also became the youngest coder ever in the history of Code Gladiators. And finally, the winner, Ganesh Jaiswal. He claimed the title of Code Gladiators Champion of the Year 2016 and also walked away with the cash prize of 2 lakh rupees.
ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट मिलने चाहिए हमें कोडिंग करने के लिए, तो बढ़िया था, टेक्निक काफ़ी अच्छा था.
So it's really awesome. So such events are really useful and really as a boost, it acts as a boost for people like us who are technology freaks.
Well, I practice coding a lot every day, so I expected that I would be in top 3. I actually wanted to be first, but I am second. I will come again next year and be first.
These talented coders worked hard, pushed their boundaries and set new benchmarks. We congratulated the ultimate warriors of Tech Gig Code Gladiators 2016.